Welcome to the enchanting world of Indonesia, a vibrant archipelago that boasts over 17,000 islands, each with its own unique culture and traditions. From the bustling streets of Jakarta to the serene beaches of Bali, Indonesia is a tapestry of diverse ethnic groups, languages, and customs. This rich cultural landscape is beautifully reflected in the lives of Indonesian women, who play a pivotal role in preserving their heritage and passing down age-old traditions. As we embark on this captivating journey, we'll delve into the fascinating roles women hold in their communities, from artisans crafting intricate batik textiles to culinary experts sharing the secrets of traditional dishes. Speaking of food, prepare your taste buds for a delightful exploration of Indonesia's culinary treasures, where flavors burst with spices and aromas that tell stories of the land. Moreover, we'll uncover the unique marriage traditions that vary from island to island, showcasing the deep-rooted customs that celebrate love and unity. Join us as we celebrate the beauty of Indonesian women and the rich cultural heritage they embody, making this journey not just informative but truly unforgettable. Get ready to be inspired by the captivating secrets of Indonesia. Aerial wonders. Indonesia's breathtaking landscapes. Prepare to be mesmerized as we take you on a visual journey through Indonesia's stunning landscapes, captured from breathtaking aerial perspectives. Our adventure begins in Bali, often referred to as the island of the gods. Here, lush rice terraces cascade down hillsides, while pristine beaches meet the azure waters of the Indian Ocean. The iconic Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff offers a dramatic backdrop, showcasing the harmonious blend of nature and culture that defines this paradise. Next, we soar over Komodo Island, home to the legendary Komodo dragons. The rugged terrain, dotted with vibrant green hills and pink sand beaches, creates a striking contrast against the deep blue sea. As we glide above this UNESCO World Heritage Site, the unique biodiversity and untouched beauty of the island come to life, inviting you to explore its wonders. Throughout this aerial exploration, the visuals will emphasize not only the natural beauty but also the rich cultural tapestry woven into the landscapes. From traditional villages to ancient temples, each frame tells a story of Indonesia's heritage. As we set the scene for the journey ahead, let the breathtaking vistas ignite your sense of wonder and anticipation for the adventures that await in this incredible archipelago. Daily life. The heartbeat of Indonesian culture. As we transition into the heart of Indonesian culture, we invite you to experience the daily lives of its diverse communities through intimate interviews and vibrant visuals. Our journey begins with local women who graciously share their daily routines, offering a glimpse into their roles as caretakers, artisans, and entrepreneurs. From early morning rituals to bustling afternoons, these women embody the spirit of resilience and creativity that defines Indonesian life. Next, we'll take you to the lively markets, where the colors and sounds create a sensory feast. Here, vendors proudly display their fresh produce, spices, and handcrafted goods, while community members engage in lively conversations. These markets are not just places to shop. They're the heartbeat of the community, where relationships are nurtured and traditions are passed down through generations. Family and tradition play a crucial role in everyday life in Indonesia. We'll highlight how families come together to celebrate milestones, share meals, and uphold customs that have been cherished for centuries. Through these stories and visuals, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the values that shape Indonesian society. Join us as we explore the vibrant tapestry of daily life, where every moment is a celebration of culture and connection. Marriage traditions. Unique ceremonies across Indonesia. Indonesia is a nation rich in diversity, and this is beautifully reflected in its unique marriage traditions that vary across its many regions. As we explore these customs, we'll begin with Java, where traditional ceremonies are often elaborate and steeped in symbolism. The Javanese wedding, known for its intricate rituals, features the stunning sungman ceremony, where the couple seeks blessings from their parents. Visuals of the couple adorned in exquisite batik attire will captivate you, showcasing the artistry and cultural significance behind their garments. Next, we journey to Sumatra, where the Minangkabau people celebrate their weddings with vibrant festivities that highlight matrilineal traditions. The Akad Nikah ceremony is a beautiful display of cultural pride, featuring traditional music, dance, and colorful attire that reflects the region's rich heritage. The visuals will immerse you in the lively atmosphere, emphasizing the joy and community spirit that surrounds these unions. Finally, we'll visit Bali, where weddings are a fusion of Hindu rituals and local customs. The Balinese ceremony is a feast for the senses, filled with intricate offerings, traditional dances, and stunning floral decorations. These marriage traditions are not just celebrations of love, they play a vital role in preserving cultural identity, connecting generations, and fostering a sense of belonging within communities. Join us as we celebrate the beauty and significance of these unique ceremonies across Indonesia. Culinary delights. Iconic dishes with meaning. Indonesia's culinary landscape is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, colors, and traditions, each dish telling a story of its cultural significance. One of the most beloved dishes is Nasi Goreng, a fragrant fried rice dish often served with a variety of toppings. As we showcase this iconic meal, we'll include interviews with local women who share their secrets to preparing the perfect Nasi Goreng, highlighting the importance of family recipes passed down through generations. Another culinary gem is rendang, a rich and spicy beef stew that originates from the Minangkabau people of Sumatra. This dish is not only a feast for the senses but also a symbol of hospitality and celebration. Through visuals of women skillfully preparing rendang, we'll explore the meticulous process that goes into creating this beloved dish, emphasizing its role in family gatherings and special occasions. Food in Indonesia is more than just sustenance. It is a vital part of celebrations and community bonding. From weddings to religious festivals, traditional meals bring families together, fostering connections and preserving cultural heritage. Join us as we dive into the delicious world of Indonesian cuisine, where every bite is infused with meaning and every meal is a celebration of life and love. Cultural heritage. Women as guardians of tradition. In Indonesia, women play a vital role as guardians of cultural heritage, ensuring that the rich traditions of their communities are preserved and celebrated. From traditional crafts to storytelling, their contributions are invaluable in keeping the essence of Indonesian culture alive. We'll highlight the artistry of women who create intricate batik textiles, a craft that has been passed down through generations. Through interviews, these artisans will share their passion for their work and the significance of each design, reflecting their cultural identity. Moreover, women are instrumental in cultural festivals and events, where they showcase traditional dances, music, and culinary delights. Their participation not only enriches these celebrations but also fosters a sense of community and belonging. We'll capture the vibrant energy of these events, emphasizing how women lead the way in organizing and performing, ensuring that their cultural practices thrive. The importance of passing down traditions to future generations cannot be overstated. Women often take on the role of educators, teaching their children the stories, songs, and crafts that define their heritage. By nurturing this knowledge, they empower the next generation to embrace their cultural roots. Join us as we celebrate the remarkable contributions of women in preserving Indonesia's cultural heritage, highlighting their essential role in shaping the future of their communities. Hidden gems. Lesser-known locations to explore. While Indonesia is famous for its stunning beaches and vibrant cities, it also boasts a wealth of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. One such destination is Tanah Toraja, located in South Sulawesi. This enchanting region is renowned for its unique cultural practices, particularly its elaborate funeral ceremonies and traditional wooden houses known as tongkonan. As we explore Tanah Toraja, viewers will be captivated by the breathtaking landscapes and the warm hospitality of the Torajan people, who are eager to share their rich heritage. Another hidden treasure is Raja Ampat, an archipelago in West Papua that is often overshadowed by more popular tourist spots. Known for its unparalleled marine biodiversity, Raja Ampat offers a paradise for divers and nature lovers alike. The crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs provide a unique opportunity to experience Indonesia's natural beauty up close. These lesser-known locations not only offer stunning scenery but also provide authentic cultural experiences that are often missed in more touristy areas. We encourage viewers to seek out these hidden treasures, as they promise unforgettable adventures and a deeper understanding of Indonesia's diverse heritage. Join us as we uncover the magic of these off-the-beaten-path destinations, inviting you to explore the lesser-known wonders of this incredible archipelago. Historical sites. A journey through Indonesia's past. As we conclude our exploration of Indonesia, we invite you to embark on a journey through its fascinating historical sites that tell the story of this remarkable archipelago. One of the most iconic landmarks is Borobudur, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the largest Buddhist temple in the world. Built in the 9th century, this architectural marvel features intricate carvings and a stunning stupa that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Borobudur is not only a testament to Indonesia's rich spiritual heritage but also a symbol of the artistry and craftsmanship of its builders. Another significant site is the Prambanan Temple Complex, which showcases the grandeur of Hindu architecture. Dating back to the 9th century, Prambanan is renowned for its towering spires and detailed reliefs that depict stories from the Ramayana and Mahabharata epics. As we explore these temples, we'll delve into their historical significance and the cultural exchanges that shaped Indonesia's diverse heritage. These historical sites are more than just remnants of the past, they are a celebration of Indonesia's rich history and cultural identity. We encourage viewers to appreciate and explore these treasures, as they offer invaluable insights into the nation's journey through time. Join us in honoring Indonesia's legacy as we reflect on the beauty and significance of its historical landmarks. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the captivating world of Indonesia, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the beauty and richness of its culture and traditions. From the stunning landscapes and vibrant markets to the unique marriage customs and culinary delights, Indonesia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. A key takeaway from our exploration is the vital role women play in preserving Indonesia's cultural heritage. Their contributions to traditional crafts, storytelling, and culinary practices are essential in keeping these traditions alive for future generations. We've seen how their efforts not only enrich their communities but also foster a sense of identity and belonging. Additionally, we've highlighted the significance of Indonesia's culinary heritage, showcasing iconic dishes that reflect the diverse flavors and cultural influences of the archipelago. These culinary delights are more than just food, they are a celebration of community and family. We encourage you to engage with us by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends who are eager to learn more about Indonesia. Your support helps us create more content that celebrates the beauty of cultures around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to exploring more incredible stories with you.